For problem number 28 on page 333, we see that in this problem it says a passenger in an airplane flying at an altitude of 10 kilometers sees two towns due east of the plane. The angles of depression to the towns are 28 degrees and 55 degrees. How far apart are the towns? So given this information and the given diagram that I set up beforehand, we know that the angle of depression right here is 55 degrees and this one is 28 degrees, and the thing that we're trying to find is the highlighted thing here, in which it's the distance apart from the cities. So using our prior knowledge of triangles, we know that if this angle is 55 degrees and this one shares the same length here, then this one would also have to be 55 degrees as well. So if we highlight that in the same color, that would also be 55 degrees. And this will help us set up when we do our trigonometry ratios. And then over here, same thing. The 28 degrees shares the same side length right here, meaning that this city would also be 28 degrees. So highlight that one. Then as well, this one is 28 degrees. So since we already know that, in order to find the distance here, first we would have to label our variables. So say that for this one, we're trying to find y, and then this one could be x. So first, in order to make things simpler for all of us, we would have to set up two different triangles to see the diagram much better. So I'm going to do this one over here, in which it looks like this, something quick. In which over here is 55 degrees, over here is 10 kilometers, and then we're trying to find x. And then if we if we draw the other triangle, which is this one right here, the 28 degrees, it would look like this. Something a little bit longer. Maybe not exactly this, but you get my point. Over here, it would be 28 degrees because it's shorter on this plane. And then the thing we're trying to find here is x plus y, since we're looking for this part here. And then 10 kilometers here. And then in order to find the highlighted part, we would have to subtract this from this one, and then we can just easily find our answer. So setting it up was easy, and now we just have to do the actual math. So for this part, we would have to set it up as tangent, since we're already given this information right here. Tangent of 55 degrees, make sure to put degrees so then you know it's not radians. 55 degrees is equal to 10 over x. While over, oh wait, no, we could always do that later. So tangent of 55 degrees is equal to 10 over x, which is also equal to 10 divided by tangent 55 degrees. So if we put that in the calculator, x is equal to 7.00207 kilometers. Moving on to here, we know that it's still the same tangent because we're given the same information. Tangent of 28 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent, so 10 kilometers as well, over x plus y. And this is also the same thing as 10 divided by tangent of 28 degrees this time, in which x plus y is equal to 18.80726 kilometers. And now we substitute, so x plus y, we bring this down, so 18, we're just rewriting what we just found. And then this x can be replaced into this x right here, in which 7.002 plus y equal to 18.80726. And then we subtract 7.002 from both sides, and we find that y is approximately 11.805 kilometers in distance, which means that the y up here, which is the distance between these two cities, is equal to 11.805 kilometers.